friends, what's up? This is Meghalaya and I welcome you all to my channel. I am at Guwahati and I'm super excited to be back home. And happy Dhanteras to all of you. So I'm really excited. Actually, I'm always excited to be back home because I got to eat a lot of yummy dish prepared by my mom. Now today I'm going to show you a very special dish which is my favorite, which is called Mathi Ma Dal with khar. So Mathi Ma Dal is basically the black dal which is available everywhere, but the way it is prepared in Assam is very different. I am not very sure if any other region other than Assam prepares the dal that way. My mom is already preparing it, so let's see how she is doing it. Boiling. So I will show you how to make khar. Let's go. My mom is preparing khar from banana's chilka. I don't know what it is called. Banana leaf. No, not leaf. Banana's chilka. I don't know what it is called in English. It is burning like. Just dried chilka, okay? So once it is totally burnt out, it needs to be dipped in water for some time, then the water can be filtered out. So this is a traditional food, you can say, of Assam, this khar, and Assamese people like to eat khar. Now use any frying pan and put oil, mustard oil. So now put all the ginger, the grinded ginger into the dal, boiled dal. आधा ग्लास, half of the glass. So dal is ready. Yum yum. So this is the end of this vlog. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and put your comment. So with this, I thank you all for watching my videos and I will see you. Good night.